If you think cottage cheese is old and boring, think again, because these chocolate cottage cheese muffins are nothing short of amazing. Start by preheating your oven and lining your muffin tray with paper or silicone liners. In a smaller bowl, combine together cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. For the cottage cheese, you want to use a stick blender or a food processor to blend it as smooth as possible and then transfer it to a large mixing bowl. To the blended cottage cheese, add your eggs and brown sugar, and whisk together until smooth. Then add your canola oil, vanilla paste, whisking them in, and making sure to use a rubber spatula to scrape down the sides of your bowl so that all the ingredients are well combined. Finish off the wet ingredient mixture by adding your milk and whisking until combined. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and you can also add the chocolate chips at this point, and then use a rubber spatula to fold everything together until you can't see any more dry ingredients without overmixing the batter. Divide the batter between the 12 prepared muffin cavities, noticing that the batter will almost fill up the cups. Now this is totally optional, but I like to garnish the top with some extra chocolate shavings before placing them in the preheated oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, and when a toothpick comes out clean, they are ready to enjoy. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.